my daddy gave me this for a big. Let's just open what we have. I opened this for my last time, but now I'm gonna open the different pets. It's a little tricky. Open. Have a little hole. And what do we have here? Oh, we have a giraffe, and it's big and wobbly. Boing boing. You see, this is a pet. Boing, and his name is no name. Okay. Where's that lit? Oh, now let's open the next one. Now we have I really want to get this dog and dog and dog. I think this is a cat or a dog. I don't know. Now let's open.
You have already a dog.
Oh. We have a monkey! A big one. Why, they're big! I never tried opening these. They're super big, but they're like the perfect size of the size of the toys. And it has a gem! Oh no, we have the last pet left. Here we go, nothing.
Why it says 10 surprises?
Here's the list. Here's the list.
And what's this for?
Oh, it's a dice.
What's for?
For we'll know what their secrets. Oh, here. Okay. Okay, we need it. This one's the charms. So we know what color. Look. Okay, here's the numbers of the dice. Now I can't wait. And we have a a big jumbo bunny. And it's a what? An ultra lucky ultra.
What does it mean?
Means it's really lucky. Woohoo! I have the luckiest pet ever. She's cute. And
Show it to the camera. Your luckiest pet ever.
And let's see what's her name. Her name is Lee. Can you read it?
Where?
This one.
Lilac.
Lilac. This is her, and this one is. What's this? Jumbo? I think this is Jumbo or something.
Jimbo.
Oh, now my last one is What's this name?
Vohan? I think it's Vohan.
Vaughn.
Or Vaughn.
I'm gonna
I think
name
it's
him.
Vaughn.
I'm going to go with Vaughn instead. Time for the charms. I need to make this.
What's the use of the dice?
For knowing us what will be lucky. Look, charms. This is her charm. This is her feather charm. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay. Okay, let's get out the dice. Like this. I think this is how you get out the dice. Okay, easy. Got the dice. Can we use this?
Okay. And then?
I'm lucky! A feather!
A feather and a 2. What does it mean?
Wait, it's her feather!
Okay.
That's super lucky! This is my lucky day ever! Okay.
So how do you play that one? I think you have to make charms. It's like a charm bracelet.
So
Here. You
purple.
put no. You open this one like this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then you put all the charms in there.
What is this? This Papa's super lucky.
Yeah.
I'm happy I have her. I'm super lucky. And he have, look, it's her feather. When I have her lucky pet means,
You're the luckiest girl ever.
yeah. And a bone. What is the bone is supposed to do? Oh well. Okay. Got these. Now, what's the two means? I got a pink feather,
These are
a
the lucky
magic
charms.
wand at number 2, a magic at a magic I have you you may you may you what's this?
Charm color. You might find.
I have a feather, a magic wand.
Oh,
And-
this is like the dice will be your charm color. It's a violet.
Like their
And
charm colors.
You
Like
might find
a magic wand.
wand
Number 2.
at recess.
Ooh, that's lucky.
Yeah,
Now, let's
that's
do the
for the
next
day.
one.
And then-
No, again.
So,
We have a 6.
what's the color? It's
A paw. I think the paw.
everything is purple. So
No, it's not a purple. It's sometimes.
see,
I think we don't have a-
everything is a purple.
I think we don't have a paw one.
It says
Wait,
you might find new shoes soon.
soon. Oh no! That's my saddest luck ever.
It's note color, Rolllands. Let's say this is blue. Let's say this one is blue. And then you roll your dice. That one is blue. And you roll your dice. And it says
A leaf?
a leaf and number 4. So you'll be looking for something blue
And number
next summer.
next summer, yay!
It's
I
already
like that.
summer because you have no class.
Yeah! I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky.
And then
Let's do-
next color will be yellow.
I have a 2 and a bone.
And yellow, you could share something glittery at recess.
Wow! Something glittery, like a book?
I don't know.
But
what's
this
that?
was more luckier.
Yeah.
She make that dice too. I really like them.